is a video on how to change out the oil and filter and to reset the oil cycle light on the inside dash on a Pontiac G6 06 model 3.5 liter. Make sure to use the proper lift points, which is right there to jack the vehicle up with. It's on the front. Make sure the car is on a level surface. Line up your jack up the vehicle. Always use a heavy duty jack stand. I cannot stress this more than enough. If this car falls on you, you're going to be squished bad. Possible death could happen. Ah! Place under support frame so it holds it up in case the jack fails. Proper tools to get the oil drain plug out is a 13mm wrench. You must have the oil filter spanner wrench to be able to get the oil filter off and back on, properly tightened, and the proper oil filter. With the 13mm wrench, you want to undo your drain plug. Make sure your oil drip pan is below it. Let it all drain out. I like to check the bottom of this plug too. It's got metal to let you know if there's the motor's coming apart right there. It all looks good. I don't feel any grit. No problem on that. Let your oil drain all the way out. About 99% of the oil is now gone. Put your drain plug back in there. Tighten that back down. Don't over tighten it. Just get it to where it's pretty snug. Don't strip it. Next thing you want to do is remove the oil filter. Have the proper wrench. Make sure you're going counterclockwise. Remove the filter. Make sure your pan's below you. Remove the oil filter. Try not to make a mess. I like to take a little bit of my old oil and put on around the new seal. Make sure to coat that really good, just like that. Make sure it's got a coating of oil on top of the seal right here. Very important. That way it prevents it from leaking. You put it back up there. Screw into place. And tighten. Pretty snug. You don't need to over tighten it. Perfect. Remove your jack stand. Lower down your car. G6s take 4 quarts of oil, so get yourself 4 quarts of high quality oil. Check with your auto parts store which is best for the mileage of your vehicle. We got 120,000 miles in this car, so we're going to stick SAE 5W30 castor oil. And that's it, 4 quarts of oil. Make sure to put your cap back on. Don't forget your cap, very important. Be sure to dispose of your old oil and filter properly at proper recycling centers. Do not toss the stuff into the ground. Okay, now we're going to reset the oil life in the vehicle. The way to do that is to turn the car on, which is 2 clicks. Do not turn the vehicle on. On the dashboard info button, it's kind of hard to see the sunlight, but push the info button until it goes to oil life. Oil life. Then press the menu button for 2 seconds. And then push your enter button once. It'll say acknowledged. Oil life is 100%. It is complete. Turn your key back off. Then you want to check your oil. Make sure you got no leaks. Turn your car on. Walk outside your vehicle. Make sure your oil is not coming out the bottom. No leaks. Perfect. We're done.